Hey there, my friends. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the law of assumption and manifest abundance beyond your wildest dreams? Well, you're in for a treat. Have you ever wondered how some people effortlessly attract wealth and manifest large sums of money? It may seem like a far-fetched idea, but let me tell you, it's absolutely possible. And today, we're going to show you how. Millions of people worldwide have been positively impacted by the incredible teachings of the legendary Neville Goddard. His wisdom on manifestation has changed lives and opened doors to unlimited possibilities. And now we're here to present you with those very techniques in a simplified and easily accessible form. In this mind-blowing video, we will guide you step by step through the law of assumption techniques taught by Neville Goddard himself. We'll break down complex concepts into practical tools that you can start implementing right away. Get ready to transform your mindset and align your thoughts with the abundance you deserve. But wait, this isn't just another video full of empty promises. We're here to provide you with authentic strategies and tips that have worked for countless individuals worldwide. As we reveal these powerful manifestation techniques, we encourage you to stay tuned till the end. Trust me, the insights and revelations we have in store for you will truly blow your mind. So whether you're seeking financial prosperity, a life of abundance, or simply a way to manifest your deepest desires, this video is your gateway to success. You have the power within you to create the life you desire, and we're here to show you how. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button right now. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the law of assumption, manifest abundance, and become the creator of your own reality. It's time to take control of your life and make your dreams a vibrant, tangible reality. Stay tuned, my friends, and let's embark on this thrilling journey together. Get ready to manifest the life you desire. Welcome to the world of limitless possibilities. Neville Goddard believed that our subconscious mind is responsible for our reality, and that by training it, we can achieve prosperity and wealth. According to him, we can manifest money into our lives by reprogramming our subconscious thoughts. This is done through a concept called states. States refer to how our thoughts are connected directly to our lives. If we think positive thoughts about ourselves and others, then we will attract positive energy into our lives. The basic principle behind manifestation is that what you think or feel will always align with what you experience in your life. Therefore, it's important that we focus on reprogramming our minds to create a mindset of abundance rather than one of lack or scarcity. To do this, start by practicing visualization daily. Imagine yourself as prosperous and wealthy with as much detail as possible, from how much money you have saved up to what car or house you own. Affirmations can also be used here. Repeating phrases such as "I am abundant" or "I am deserving of wealth" multiple times throughout the day can help reprogram your subconscious mind to believe these statements as well. Finally, don't forget about gratitude. Take time each day to recognize all the small blessings in your life until they add up big time. The subconscious mind can be trained and reprogrammed in order to overcome doubts or negative thoughts that may be holding us back from achieving our goals. It is important to take time to visualize yourself as the successful person you want to become, convincing your subconscious that it is not a threat, but instead a positive chain. The power of visualization is incredibly strong. By feeling the desire of what you want as if it is already manifested and taking time to visualize money, success, or whatever else it may be, you will help reprogram your brain for success. Using the law of attraction is also an effective way to reprogram our minds for abundance and prosperity. This law states that our thoughts create our reality, meaning that if we give off positive energy, live in a state where all our desires are met, and feel as if we already have what we've always wanted, then it will manifest itself in reality through the law of attraction. With patience and practice, reprogramming our minds with faith will allow us to attract progress and prosperity into our lives with ease. Understanding Neville Goddard's teachings on this matter can make all the difference. With these tips in mind, start today by utilizing affirmations every day or using visualization techniques before sleep. Remember, anything worth having takes dedication. But believe in yourself. Are you ready to harness the power of the universe? To manifest your deepest desires and create a life filled with abundance and prosperity? Well, you can do it, and it all starts with understanding the law of attraction. The law of attraction is a powerful force that can help you achieve your goals. It states that whatever we focus on in our lives will become reality. So, if we focus on positive thoughts, positive things will come into our lives. Conversely, if we focus on negative thoughts, negative things will come into our lives. This is why it's important to stay conscious of what we're thinking about, because those thoughts are creating our reality. Now that you understand the law of attraction, let's talk about how to apply it in order to manifest wealth and prosperity. First off, visualize what you want out of life. Use imagination, affirmations, and visualization powers to unveil that reality. Believe in yourself and have faith that whatever you wish for is already a reality. This will give you access to the power within so that you can create desired results in all areas, such as success or abundance. You have control over your own life. No one else can manage it but yourself, not even God. Live with an end goal in mind. Live with intent towards making real what was once only dreamed of so it may become a reality. Connect directly with the universe via emotions and beliefs based upon those thoughts, only allowing what serves well-being into experience while rejecting all other negativities as they come up naturally through life's journey. Know that there are magical abilities formed by one's mental state, which will shape reality if applied correctly towards aligning oneself with true desires held at the heart center space. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey into the world of manifestation and the law of attraction. We hope that you've gained valuable insights and practical techniques to help you manifest wealth and prosperity in your life. So, as we wrap up this video, I encourage you to make a commitment to yourself. Promise yourself that you will continue to apply these manifestation techniques in your life. Stay consistent, stay positive, and stay focused on your goals. Trust in the process, even if results may not appear instantaneously. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By becoming a part of our community, you'll receive regular updates, insights, and techniques to further enhance your manifestation journey. Remember, my friend, the universe is abundant, and so are you. You have the power within you to manifest your dreams and create the future you desire. Believe in yourself, trust the process, and watch as the magic unfolds. Thank you once again for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you in future videos. Wishing you an abundance of wealth, prosperity, and success. Now, go out there and manifest your dreams. Stay blessed and keep manifesting.